Hey everyone, it's Neil. I got the new Apple Watch 10 Big, I guess is what it's called, or something like that. I was going from the Watch Ultra, which is heavy and stuff. So we're gonna give this thing a try here. I got these screen protectors for it. So we're gonna give these a try and see all the stuff. It comes with a whole lot of stuff for screen protectors. Let's see what we got in here. So we have if it's this big, that's insane. Oh, this is the thing you put down to put it on. You see this, it's a big old silicone thing. And then I guess this is dust things. There's more dust things. Here's the instructions, which I guess I need to look at before I do it. And then here's all the screen protectors. Here's a little sponger thing, you know, to kind of get the air bubbles out. And here's all the screen protectors. It looks like we got 8 of them in here. So we're gonna give this a try. I'll email it down so you can kind of watch what I'm doing here. Make sure I've got everything here. Where's the instructions? Sorry, I lost them here. So this is it here. It says remove the protective film on the surface of the silicone pad and stick it down, I guess. So there we go. And then okay, in here. Okay, so there we've got the film off of the pad. We've got the watch on the pad. There we go. I wonder if I should take the band off. It says remove it doesn't say, but okay. So then we have to peel off these sticks. So we gotta clean it first. So first we're cleaning it with the wet wipes. We have a 1 and 2. So I'm gonna say we'll clean with 1 first, is wet, and then dry is number 2. So there we go. English. Okay, I wish there was a way to turn it off. I don't know, there might be. Okay, so there, now it's super clean. Okay, we take this here, peel off label 1. So that's 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, label 1. Oops, I took the label 1 right off, the number 1 right off. Okay, 1 is, oh, 1 comes with 2, or 1, oh, 1 is off. Okay, 1 is off. Align the protector with the watch screen. And to ensure the position is correct, use your finger and press the surface of the thing. Okay. And then we're gonna pull off number 2 after we line it up. So let's line it up here. So I guess we are about lined up there. Okay, so there, it's pushed on. And now it says, peel the scratch card on the diving line lifted by number 2. Oh, look at that. So it folds out and then there's this little thing here. So let's see, so as we do it, I'm guessing it's going on there. Okay, and then I guess number 3 is going to be the same thing. Scratch card dividing line. Okay, so number 3 is off, so now we have it completely pushed on. Okay, so there, and it says now use the sponger thingy to kind of really get it nice and good on there. Get off all these bubbles, I guess. I see a couple of bubbles. Oops, I don't know what I did. Okay. Okay, and then peel off number 4. And now we have a screen protector on there. Can't even really see it, but I guess it's on. Okay, so there we go. So now I have a screen protector on my watch. Cool. Okay, well that was easy enough. So and I can feel it on there a little bit, so it's good. It's really good. It's really, man, I can't even see any bubbles. So, oh, I see one right there. I'll have to sponger that one out. And, is it gone now? I think so. I'll work on it a little bit more later, but I think I did pretty good. Fell off there. So, yeah, I think it's good. Okay, super good. Thumbs up.